Here is a seating arrangement that features beautifully designed panels. There is equivalent to 5 feet or 1.5 meters in between each guest. Also, as you can see, in between each panels, there is also a lovely centerpiece. So this means guests can not only enjoy feeling safe, but also can enjoy the environment and the decorations here.
Here you can see a beautiful pine tree display. Pine is a symbol of Japan, and also inside Happo-en garden, many of our famous bonsai are pine trees as well. For this display, we use several panels. They're positioned in a way that is not affected by the wind that enters the room through the garden. For the events, we have not only conventional seats available, but also a great variety of original and special designs and seating options that can still allow for proper social distancing.
Guests are not only able to enjoy the talk from the stage directly, but they can also use tables such as this in order to watch the speech or talk through their computer. They can also enjoy proper social distancing between the speaker as well as other guests. As you can see here, the speaker is able to talk to the audience with clear social distancing in place. Here, guests are able to listen to the talk of the speaker with peace of mind.
During the events, even the speakers can deliver their speech with peace of mind due to the panels that are placed in between each of the presenters. During the events, we also set up special co-working spaces. All the guests can keep doing their work and also observe the event. And as you can see, this co-working space is available to anyone with any needs.